I'm mad at y'all. I'm mad at y'all because ain't nobody told me about this one. Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing this new synthetic wig. The company's name is Nutique, and I got her from samsbeauty.com. So let's go ahead and unbox her together, and I'll go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, let's go. If you're new here, welcome to Who's That Girl? My name is Vageline, the star of the show. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway, we do everything here synthetically fun. If you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let me go ahead and just get into this unboxing. And yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened up this box yet, so I'm opening it up with you guys. So let me move back some. I'm gonna pop open this box, see what she's looking like. Okay, this is what the star card is giving. She cute. Ooh. And I got her in the style Illiuze Full Lace Nella in the number 2. Now mind you, she says that she is hand-tied full lace. It's a pre-plucked HD lace. She's natural with baby hairs, 100% handmade lace, baby hairs, glueless wig, full lace, and she has a flawless install with a virtually undetectable HD lace. Again, her color is a 1B. So let's go ahead and look at Miss Thing. I'm excited. I like to try out new companies, especially if they are up there with, you know what I'm saying, my two faves, which is Sensational and Outre. But let's go ahead and get into her. Straight out the box, this is what the hair is looking like. It's nice and soft. I ain't gonna lie to you, she's looking kind of good. Comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable elastic band for that glueless install. Her cap, ooh, there's no ooh, wait 1 second. How much I paid for her? She was like $50. No tracks, baby. Oh. Ooh, you fancy. Are you fancy, huh? Are you fancy, huh? Hair done, nails done, everything. Let me go ahead and try her on to see what she's giving, because I feel like your girl's about to eat. Look at that lace. Oh no, I gotta put the price down below somewhere because she looks good. Alright, here we go. Here goes nothing. Let's try her on. Okay, probably should do this first. She feels like she might be big head. Oh, did I just pop something? She might be big head friendly. Oh, baby. I'm mad at y'all. I'm mad at y'all because ain't nobody told me about this one. Ain't nobody told me about this one. I am so upset with y'all right now. Why y'all ain't tell me? Y'all could have told me. I thought we were friends. I thought we were peoples. I got about 1,200 people following. Nobody told me about this one. What I'm going to do, what I plan to do now, is put her all the way together. And then come back and do the damn thing. On another note, shout out to my moo-moos. Like, you guys got some really cute moo-moos, and not once or see a comment talking about my moo-moos. Y'all like my moo-moos? I love my moo-moos. Let me go put this wig together. Alright folks, so here is my final thoughts on Miss Thing from Nutique. She is a gorgeous wig. She is definitely big head friendly. This wig hardly shedded or did she give any tangles. Now I did cut her, which I'm going to upload a part 2. And you can watch me cut her in that video. The texture of this wig is actually very nice. It comes off a little bit shiny, but it's really more on the silky side. The curls are amazing. The 1B is eating the girls up. I left nothing left for anybody else. You hear me? Like nothing. She is a beautiful wig. Where would I wear her to? She is definitely date night material. She is definitely church material. She is definitely a fly wig that you can wear for any special occasion. She is beautiful. And her price range was under $50. I think she was like 47 something or the other. Now, would I buy her again? I wouldn't even hesitate. She is a must-have. I really want to try her in different colors and see what she is giving. But that is my opinion. That is my review on Miss Thing. And now y'all can go ahead and listen to my outro. Okay, folks, now that I got a chance to put her all the way together, first let me say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who are hustling and bustling and doing all the things necessary for your children. If they don't appreciate you, guess what, baby? I do, because I know how hard it is. Is that my PlayStation in the back? PlayStation 2, that's when I used to be a gamer, you know what I'm saying? That's when I used to be a gamer. This channel would have been different. It would have been all about the Sims, GTA, baby. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Y'all lucky. Y'all lucky. It's all about the synthetic wigs over here. Hold on, let me lift this chair. Alright, much better. Y'all can't see what's going on in the background. Anyway, again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I love you guys so very much, especially all the mothers who follow me, who are subscribing, all the future mothers who are trying to get their mojo back, who are trying to continue to stay the baddie that they were before they had their children. Okay. It's hard out here for a pimp, trust me. 9 to 5, I'll be out here looking crazy, but you get me on a good day. I might give you a little something like this. You feel me? Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And baby, she top tier. She top tier, okay? Because she's really giving that human hair dupe. Fresh out of the salon, you feel me? You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye. Damn, she look good. Oh wait, that's me. Jokes, not really. Bye.